I'm going to show you guys the best homemade lotion recipe. This is such an amazing and simple recipe, guys. I absolutely love it. First time I tried out this recipe was for my dad's birthday, and I made it as a gift. And he goes, I ran out of lotion, I need a refill. So I wanted to show you guys how to make it. Super simple. First thing you guys will need is 1/3 cup of coconut oil, 1/3 cup of shea butter, some essential oils, and I chose cypress, I'm pretty sure you have how you pronounce it. And you use about 5 to 10 drops of that. You'll need a hand mixer because actually mixing it by hand is not the way to go. And you guys will need a large bowl. And I also wanted to show you guys the jar I'm planning on putting in it after I make it. It actually has a Jif peanut butter jar lid, and they fit canning jars. And it is absolutely amazing. I love using those lids. So to begin, I'll move this stuff out of the way. We'll take our large bowl, and what you need to do is you have 1/3 cup of shea butter and 1/3 cup of coconut oil. Do not melt these. If you melt them, it is a big no-no. I did that once and it did not turn out well. It was very soupy lotion. So this shea butter, what you need to do is just simply microwave it for about 30 seconds until it's softened, not melted. Melted, you can't use it. You'll have to get a whole new batch. Do not melt the shea butter. Alright, so just simply soften your shea butter for about 30 seconds. And what we'll need to do is, it's just 1/3 cup of shea butter, 1/3 cup of coconut oil. Super, super simple. Alright, so I softened it in the microwave for about 30 seconds already. And then I have my coconut oil. I didn't need to soften this. There was no reason to. So there's my coconut oil and my shea butter. And now what we're gonna need to do, I'll move that out of the way. We are going to mix it with the hand mixer until it is smooth. And you can definitely see the difference from now and when it's smooth. So alright, I'll have to scrape the sides of the spoon just to make sure I get all of it. There's like a couple clumps on this side. But this lotion is super, super awesome. I love it. It's very moisturizing, and it really is the perfect lotion. Alright. So I just scraped off the sides a bit, and I will continue to stir. Alright, so I mixed it until it's smooth, and you can see it definitely doesn't look like the clumpy shea butter or the clumpy coconut oil. And now it is a smooth lotion. And what we're going to do next is I'm going to scrape the sides of this off so I can make sure I have all the lotion off of it. You don't want to waste lotion. And what we're going to do after this is we are going to scrape the sides of this bowl, then we're going to put the essential oils in. And last time for the essential oils I chose citrus blend, in which I really like the smell of that, but my dad wanted something a little different, so I just chose cypress. I'm pretty sure that's how you pronounce it. And what we're going to do is we're just going to simply put in 5 to 10 drops of it. It smells kind of like the woods. So about 5 to 10 drops. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Alright. And what I like to do is after I add the essential oils, I stir it in, and then I actually smell the lotion to see if it smells like it, to see if it needs any more. Because I know sometimes some essential oils are stronger than the others. Stronger scents. So just simply mix it in. I'm probably gonna actually add about 4 more drops. You know, just because you want to make sure it smells like it. 4. All right. Ooh, whoops. All right, so 4 drops. There we go. And that is it, guys. That is all you have to do. Now it's this nice, smooth lotion that you can use for whenever, and it is absolutely amazing. And I definitely recommend trying out the peanut butter jar lid for your canning jars. It fits on any canning jar. It's a nice tight fit, and it's perfect for things like this, because sometimes when you use the actual canning jar lids, the little, it gets kind of irritating taking it off both of the lids. So this, I definitely recommend that. All you have to do, guys, is now stick it in your nice lotion container. And I probably should have actually made a double batch for him, just because he uses it a lot. But because this is a new essential oil, I'll probably just leave it with this, and if he likes the scent, then I can always make more. But that is it, guys. That is all you need to do for this amazing lotion. I definitely recommend this. So, thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe. Try this amazing lotion, and what essential oil are you guys going to use for this? I personally like the citrus blend, but I wanted to try something else different for my dad. Definitely try this. It is an amazing lotion. Make sure you guys click the like button, and I hope you caught that creative bug.